This is the Merklich Company. You probably recognize a lot at Merklich Company from similarities with your own working day. Take Mrs. Muller, for example. She works in financial controlling and is rather irritated. Time and again, she has to manually enter the same booking data into the booking system from different sources such as emails and Excel spreadsheets. Doing this every day costs her a lot of time that she could be using more productively. Mrs. Muller wonders whether the process could be executed more efficiently or even automatically. Using the Scheer Process Automation Suite, PAS, routine tasks can be conducted easily by software robots. These robots imitate human click behavior and run standardized tasks much faster, without errors, and on top of that, round the clock. In place of Mrs. Muller, the robot now clicks its way automatically through the bookings. This way, she has far more time for tasks that really add more value. Not everything is running smoothly for Mr. Schmidt in the IT department either. Malfunctions seem to occur all the time, and quite often, the problem is passed down the line to the customer. Orders are lost track of, and processes are slow. Unfortunately, in the meantime, the many point-to-point connections in the system landscape have made it so opaque that it takes ages before the error can be found and corrected. Luckily, Mrs. Muller drops by for a cup of coffee and tells him about the latest technical development in her department. In place of point-to-point connections and chaotic attempts to find errors, Scheer PAS gives you a centralized integration platform which brings all your systems together. The model-driven approach ensures clarity and transparency. Using Scheer PAS, Mr. Schmidt can fix errors in real time, and afterwards join Mrs. Muller for a quiet cup of coffee. Mr. Schmidt and Mrs. Muller are sitting together in the cafeteria with Mr. Mayer from the logistics department. Mr. Mayer says with some disappointment that he hasn't yet had any feedback on his suggestions for improvements. Mr. Schmidt takes out his smartphone and shows Mr. Mayer the Scheer PAS mobile app. Using the Scheer PAS app, any employee, wherever they happen to be at the time, can use digital forms to submit their ideas to the central ideas management system. Each step is now digital and therefore transparent and traceable. Using Scheer PAS, the Merklich Company benefits from faster processes, less routine work, and more transparency. We would be delighted to speak with you personally about how your company can get the most benefit from Process Automation 4.0.